Hi everyone. In this video, we'll cover the main aspects of the California Consumer Privacy Act, also known as the CCPA. Here are the questions we'll be discussing. Question 1. What is the CCPA and what rights does it grant consumers? Similar to the European Union's GDPR, the CCPA is a data privacy regulation which is going to completely overhaul how businesses collect, use, and share the personal data of Californian consumers. Effective January 1st, 2020, it gives consumers the right to know what data businesses are collecting about them, where they're getting it from, what they're doing with it, and also who they're selling it to or sharing it with. Consumers can also request that organizations delete their data or stop sharing it with third parties. Organizations also cannot discriminate against consumers who choose to exercise their CCPA rights and must provide equal service or product quality to these consumers. Personal data under the CCPA is broadly defined as any information that could be linked to a particular person or household, either directly or indirectly. This means that it could even include IP addresses or browser cookies. That's obviously a lot of data. So if the CCPA applies to your business, you should get a head start on your compliance journey. That brings us to question 2. Does the CCPA apply to your business? If you're a for-profit entity doing business in California and you meet any of these criteria, then the CCPA will apply to you. If your business controls or is controlled by a company meeting any of these criteria and shares common branding, the CCPA will apply to you. If your organization is subject to regulations such as HIPAA or the GLBA, the data under the scope of these acts is exempt from the CCPA. But if you process any other personal data, the CCPA will apply to it. If your business provides services to a company regulated by the CCPA, that business is obligated to ensure that your business processes information in compliance with the Act. So the CCPA will indirectly apply to you. Considering all this, it's highly likely that you'll have to comply with the CCPA. Let's move on to question 3. What should you be focusing on to achieve CCPA compliance? First, conduct a data inventory and map out the flow of data through your business and any third parties. If customers want to know the what, where, and why about their data, you need to have an answer to give them. You also need to update your business's privacy policies to reflect what data it processes, why, and with whom the data is shared. Next, build and test processes to respond to customer requests efficiently. The CCPA has many specifications about this, so it's good to begin early. Finally, it's time to consider data security. The CCPA may go into effect in 2020, but it's applicable to all data processed from January 2019. Consumers have the right to take action against your business if their data has been breached. So you need to make sure that you've taken the steps to ensure your consumers' data is completely secure. So that was the CCPA in a nutshell. If you'd like to know more about the Act or how you can secure your data, click the link here or in the description box below to learn more. Thank you.